Hello there my little sugar buns and welcome back to my channel. I am Alpha and today I have a package! Woo! A big package from AP, Angelic Pretty in Paris, and I'm super excited. It was a few days ago that I woke up early in the morning. I just woken up. First thing I do is check my phone. And I don't know why I went into Instagram and Angelic Pretty had posted a new picture of a new print that I had not seen before. And I just had to have it. And while I was on it, I bought a bit more. And, well, yeah, this is gonna be fun. So, let's just get started, shall we? I'm very impatient. How are you, little buns? It has been a while, hasn't it? I plan to make more videos. I have things in mind. I have been thinking about making more videos about like regular fashion, not regular, you know, alternative fashion, Harajuku fashion. Oh my god, my voice sounds so dry. Excuse me. Yes, but I was thinking about making more fashion videos, not just Lolita fashion, but other alternative fashions as well. Because I think we should do more fashion. Fashion is fun. And because of my current situation, I was also thinking about making videos about mental health. Because I've been struggling a bit lately. But just because of that, I haven't really had the energy, the focus, just the will to do anything, really. So everything has been put on hold temporarily, but things are starting to look better, so I hope I can make videos again soon. I just love when you open up the AP packages and the first thing you see is like this. The AP bag, and it's just like, oh, how pretty. So, let's see. Oh my god. This. So I bought 3 dresses and I don't even want to look at the receipts. I'm like, I know how much it costs, but I don't see it, you know? It gives me kind of exciting to know. Smart hairclip, Mocomoco Bunny. I just love Mocomoco Bunny. And, well, we can start with Mocomoco Bunny. It's in the bottom. Just gonna... But I can see it, Mocomoco Bunny in the bottom. I got one in pink a little while ago and I just love it. I haven't had the opportunity to actually wear it yet, but I just adore it. And then I was seeing people wearing the black one. Oh, I love how lovely this fur color. It's so cute, so cute. It's so soft. And first, I didn't like the black one at all because I didn't think that the print looked really good in this sheer on this sheer fabric. I didn't think it wasn't like sharp enough. I think the print was, it looked kind of fuzzy on pictures, but actually it's really clear. It looks really good. It looks really great. Oh, it's so beautiful. And I was seeing pictures with people wearing the black one and it just looked good. I mean, my favorite color combinations is black and pink, and I just knew that it would look so good with like my pink jacket and stuff. So I was like, it would look really, really cool with the black one. So I got the black one too. Just because I don't know, why not? So adorable. So yeah, I love that. Love that. And then I got AP. Oh, because AP. You have to excuse me because I have forgotten the name of this print. It's the one with the strawberries and the bunnies. You know, this one. You know. Does it say? No, it doesn't say. Interesting. It's named something with strawberries and bunnies. Something. Like, I looked up the name yesterday and now I can't remember it. My brain is not really meant to remember all the print names. Like, I'm so bad at remembering the print name. Like, every time I'm gonna post a dress that I haven't worn in a while, I'm just like, what's the name of this dress? I have to look it up because I don't remember. But seriously, this is so gorgeous. So cute. I'm just so in love with these bunnies. Jesus Christ. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, how adorable. Look at that little one. It's all wrinkled up. Can we get a better one? It's so cute. Now the dresses were sold out. This is the skirt. So it's open in the back. Yes, that's like cross, ribbons are crossed in the back. Oh, you can remove the top. So it's just like just a skirt. That's kind of cool if you want to do that. But I actually think it's really, really cute with this upper part. It's like a little apron thing. I think that's really, really cute. Oh, it's so cute. Like, first I didn't really want to get the black one, but that was all they had left in stock because I was a little bit late to the party, but I don't mind. I need more black in my wardrobe. Like, actually right now I'm just staring at my dresses there behind the camera but in front of me, so I'm just can see all my black dresses, but I need more black. So yeah, oh, so cute. It's such a summery dress. Maybe I should wear this today. Yeah, I'm gonna meet up with a friend and have an outing today, so maybe this would be a good dress for today. It's super hot today, so it's gonna be really hard to dress. It's like way too hot to wear to Lolita, but I want to. And the third is I know the name of this. I know it. It's the one that's Usagi no picnic or something. Aww. Actually, I don't love it. The bunnies are kind of weird. Oh my god. The bunnies looks like cats, but with bunny ears. Can we get a good bunny? Oh, it's too bright. It looks like a cat. Look what bunny is. Like, what is that? But oh, it's so bright you can't even see it. But the sleeping one is really, really cute. Wow, I actually wanted the blue one, and I put the blue one in my shopping cart, and just as I was going to pay, it was just gone, you know? But I got the pink one. And it's really cute. I mean, it's... Okay, I'm gonna be absolutely honest, I do not love it. But I think it's cute. But I'm not like, oh my god, this is the prettiest thing I've ever seen. It's just... It's a bit too childish. Just a little bit too childish. I think this is dress I'm gonna have to get used to. It's gonna take a while to start to love it. But it's a very pretty dress. I'm not super happy that they're using this kind of fabric. I prefer when they do things in cotton, because I prefer cotton, like always cotton. I don't like this what do you call this? Brave freeze, I don't know. Well, it's synthetic fabric. I'm not fond of synthetic fabrics. But I thought it would be a nice dress, because I like that it has a little bit longer sleeves, and it's nice to have dresses when you don't have to pick out a blouse and you have to pick up that and this and that. It's just like, you just put on a dress and then you're done. I love that. So I thought this would be like an easy option, like when you're in a hurry and it can't be too fancy but you want to look nice, but not like too nice and not too complicated, and just put on one dress and you're done. It's amazing. So yeah, I think you get a bit more lazy when you get older. Things has to be easy and quick and just comfortable. And this kind of dresses are normally very easy to wear and very comfortable. So I bought it mostly because I thought it would be comfortable. Yeah, I bought an expensive AP dress because I thought it looked comfy. But yes, it is cute. It has like, it's like flowers, and I think it's a picnic basket with something to drink and flowers and some cake and cupcakes and these weird cat looking bunnies and hats and teapots and tea set. Oh, I didn't see that bunny. That one is really cute. Can you see? The one with the hat? That one was cute. What have they done with the eyes? I have never seen a bunny with green eyes. Never. Blue eyes, red eyes, black eyes, brown eyes, grey eyes, but never green. Wow, that was... Yeah, the eyes are really bothering me, like really bothering me. That is so weird. Why the green eyes? Not cat eyes. That is so bizarre. Really bizarre. But otherwise they look more like bunnies. Otherwise AP bunnies look often quite weird, with like huge heads and tails that are as big as their heads. These actually look like teddy bears, but with cat eyes. I'm so disturbed by that. I'm so disturbed by it. But otherwise it's a very cute dress. So now I'm gonna have quite a trouble deciding on an outfit, and I'm gonna have to hurry because I'm gonna need to get ready because I'm gonna have to go soon. So yes, I'm gonna have to try out this and put together an outfit, and maybe I will post the outfit at the end of the video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you had a really great time so far. And I will try my super best to make more videos and more content, and just generally more about fashion, because I think we need more fashion, more good fashion. Most of us has pretty much forgotten to wear fashion this year. Like, you're walking around at home in our pajamas all day, and just everyone is getting really lazy and comfortable, and I think we need to start focus more on fashion again and just enjoy our pretty dresses again. So I'm going to try my best to do more content about fashion, and not just Lolita fashion, but the other Harajuku fashions and alternative fashions as well. So that's my big plan, but we will see how it goes, because things never really go as I plan, but we'll see. And yes, thanks again guys, thank you very much for watching, and I love you my little darlings. Bye bye my little darlings, bye bye.